It'd been years since I'd taken a case. But a mystery client called me into New Orleans. It's hard to say why, but my interest was piqued. When I arrived, it became clear this wasn't a typical case. Joanna Collins.
It's President Collins to you. Have a seat. I need your help.
She told me I was here to solve a big case, bigger than any I'd seen before. And to get to the bottom of this caper, I needed to get back to basics. I'm Jennifer Crockett, here to get to the bottom of the most important topics in forensic science. A case this big needs a big team, though, and that's why I'm enlisting help from experts around the country. I'll need experts in cybercrime and ethical hacking, crack teams in digital forensics, and trauma-informed healthcare specialists. The best place to learn all about these experts is right here on AAFS TV. We're coming at you straight from the convention floor all week long.